transformer models, currently trained on an established dataset containing audio-visual information on human expressions.
Ever thought Microsoft has shown all of its cards? Well, think again. Today, we're diving deep into Microsoft's latest game changer, Project RUMI, and I promise you'll be as stunned as we were by the end of this video. Large language models are potent neural networks that produce natural language and are useful in various fields. Many areas of human society and culture are being revolutionized, including introducing a whole new interaction model between humans and computers, turning natural language into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. LLMs do have certain restrictions though, as they might not always get the arguments and context of a discourse. The standard and specificity of user input or prompts also influence their effectiveness. So if the information that the user enters into the LLM is a wrong entry, it can also lead to wrong and misleading information. Moreover, this can cause the LLM to read things incorrectly, grasp things incorrectly, or respond inappropriately. Hence, Project RUMI combines paralinguistic input into prompt-based interactions with LLMs to enhance communication. So to improve LLM's capabilities in this era of AI is a co-pilot, it is essential to provide this background. Gorilla AI joins a group of noteworthy artificial intelligence innovations that have attracted interest and fascination. Notably, Microsoft has been a leader in promoting innovation in artificial intelligence, as seen by its support for a wide variety of models specifically suited for different applications. Projects like Project RUMI, which symbolize the company's unrelenting pursuit of technological improvement, culminate the advancements. These AI initiatives highlight Microsoft's general objective of making AI accessible and disruptive across industries, and boasting notable features and advances. So how does this new project work? The system detects and analyzes the nonverbal cues collected from data streams using separately trained audio and vision-based models. The models then generate relevant paralinguistic tokens to supplement the conventional lexical prompt input to already existing LLMs like GPT-4 and assess sentiment from cognitive and physiological data in real time. The richness and differences of human communications are added to the prompt, elevating the level of human-AI interaction. Moreover, this multimodal, multi-step architecture integrates seamlessly with all pre-trained text-based LLMs to provide additional information on the user's sentiment and intention that text-based models do not capture. Furthermore, future research will focus on enhancing the functionality of current models and incorporating extra signals, such as HRV, heart rate variability, which is acquired from conventional video as well as cognitive and environmental sensing. In future AI interactions, conveying implicit meaning and intention is crucial. Aspects of spoken communications other than words, such as tone, pitch, loudness, intonation, etc., are the subject of the research field known as paralinguistics. Here are important details about the speaker's feelings, goals, personality, and social setting can be communicated through paralinguistics. Simply saying Project RUMI could result in an AI system that can comprehend not just the words being uttered, but also the emotional state of the speaker and the context in which they're being said. It is a part of meta-communication, which is speaking about talking about talking. The meaning of what is spoken can be altered, nuanced, or even contradicted by paralinguistics. For instance, expressing "I'm fine" in a happy voice can convey sincerity, whereas expressing it in a sarcastic voice can convey irony. According to the researchers, Project RUMI can support various applications that call for amicable dialogue between people and AI systems. For instance, they can be used to develop conversational agents whose responses can be modified by the user's mood, personality, and preferences. Moreover, the study finds that Project RUMI can enable more effective and natural communication between AI systems and people. Additionally, it demonstrates how Project RUMI may promote cross-modal learning and transfer by utilizing complementing data from several modalities. Furthermore, according to the researchers, Project RUMI can encourage multimodal creativity by enabling AI systems to produce creative and varied replies. Microsoft's recent disclosure of Project RUMI represents a revolutionary artificial intelligence advancement. Unexpectedly, Microsoft has announced a creative project that could revolutionize communication using big language models like ChatGPT. Project RUMI seeks to establish a new benchmark for AI-human interaction by bridging the gap between technology and human emotion, in contrast to other AI achievements. Moreover, the central principle is multimodal paralinguistic prompting. which, despite sounding complicated, can be reduced to a strikingly straightforward notion. Through this endeavor, big language models can comprehend and react to the underlying emotions and thoughts expressed by users in addition to processing text-based information. In essence, Project RUMI makes it possible for AI to comprehend the words that we type and the thoughts and feelings that go along with them. Text-based queries were the traditional method of communicating with AI language models, and AI would produce responses depending on its training. However, Project RUMI changes this paradigm. It aims to provide AI models with the capacity to understand not just the overt substance of the text, but also the underlying nuances, implicit emotions, and intentions. Although amazing, other huge language models have several drawbacks. They frequently find it difficult to understand a context's complex context and complexities. Additionally, how well and precisely users' input affects how well they perform. Moreover, these models ignore paralinguistic cues like tone, gestures, and facial expressions that are essential to human communication and only consider lexical entries. But with the new Project RUMI, these problems could be solved. Project RUMI works to overcome these constraints by incorporating paralinguistic inputs into prompt-based interactions. In the co-pilot era of AI, the goal is to improve communication quality and advance language model AI capabilities. Project RUMI's comprehensive strategy adopted by Microsoft includes a complex architecture that smoothly combines several modalities to improve user interaction. So this complex design combines non-contact technology with physical sensors to comprehensively understand users' emotional and cognitive states. So what makes Project RUMI so special? Let's examine the elements that make Project RUMI a game changer in artificial intelligence. It consists of physical sensors like EEG, GSR, and heart rate monitor. Moreover, they have non-contact sensors like a camera, eye tracking, and speech analysis. The brain's electrical activity is captured and recorded by electroencephalogram sensors, providing information about cognitive functions, attentiveness, and mental states. Project RUMI can learn much about a user's attitude by measuring their concentration, relaxation, or cognitive workload. Next is galvanic skin response, GSR, sensors which gauge the skin's electrical conductance and fluctuate with skin wetness. Moreover, GSR sensors can detect the user's emotional state, such as tension, excitement, or fear, because sweat production is correlated with physiological or emotional stimulation. The last physical sensor is heart rate monitor, that provides insights into various emotions and reactions, from peace and relaxation to excitement and anxiety, by tracking changes in the user's heart rate. So Project RUMI's comprehension of the emotional dynamics of its users is enhanced by its physiological signal. Whew, Microsoft's Project RUMI surely is packed with surprises, isn't it? If you were amazed by today's revelations, hit that like button below, and if you want to stay updated with more jaw-dropping tech news and insights, hit subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. What do you think about RUMI? Drop your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and stay techie.